So if you are struggling to make payment on Temu and get your package delivered to the right address in Ghana, this video is for you. Yeah, so kindly visit your Play Store or the App Store and search for the Temu app and download it. So after downloading it, you open it and this is the interface. First impressions, you just see most of their clearance deals. You see their product lineup based on your app or browser history. So first of all, you click on the use sign and you make sure you have your account created. That's very necessary. So after creating your account, it's just your name, age, date of birth, phone number, and email address here. So after doing those things, the next thing is to go and look for, let's say you go to your settings. The settings, you can see payment method, country and region. So make sure your country is at Ghana and your currency is also set to GHS. So that's it, Ghana cedis. And so you click on the payment method. So here you can add credits or debit card. So these are basically the Visa or the MasterCard issued by banks in Ghana. So I have numerous videos about how you can get a credit or debit card here in Ghana. So you can see my own is here. So let's go back. If you don't have one, I will show you a trick of how you can use the MTN mobile money or any other mobile money service here in Ghana to make payment. Yeah, so after that, the next thing is looking for your product. So when buying from Temu, one thing I will advise you all is to check reviews and check the seller rating. If the seller has a low rating or bad reviews, that might be a sign for you to back off or restrain from buying goods that are not described as it is on the website or that has defective descriptions or something. So let's say I want to buy something like this jeans. The price is 185 cedis, 85 pesos. So you see the seller has a star seller rating already and it has 29 reviews up to 4.8 or 4.5 reviews. So let's say the buying guide, you have to check your waist size. So let's say I'm choosing 32. They will give you the size is the same as 30 in Ghana. So they have the waist, the hip and everything. So you make sure you have those measurements. Yeah, so after that, so you see they deliver as low as 7 days upwards and they use Skynet or speed up for the delivery. So you need to bear that in mind. And after that, let's come to the review. So you can see the first review here is from a Ghanaian and the person received it on February 25th this year. So the person said, I love it. And you can see most of them are just giving perfect reviews. But the problem is I don't think we have a picture review to see how okay the product is. So this is it. As you can see, light blue. The person I think is the same as seen on the picture, but you know they edit pictures for product listing, so not necessarily bright or colorful as you see in the video. So anything I want to buy, just make sure you add it to cart. So the size, then you add it, then you scroll through. So let's say I want to buy this Corvette C6 alloy a car model. I just check it if it's okay. You read reviews or check pictures if necessary. So you see they have pictures of it, people who have already bought it. So you can see this is how you are going to get it at your end, not how you saw it on the page or the product description. This is basically how you are going to see it because there is someone who bought it from Temu directly. Yeah, so as you can see they have it. So then you add it to cart. So sometimes depending on your account, if it's a new account, you might get a minimum of 250 cedis worth of orders before you can check out. So make sure you bear that in mind. So yeah, basically just scroll through, and if you are looking for something that is not here, just go to categories. They have home and kitchen, women clothing, women's scarf clothing, they have shoes, lingerie, and like they have a lot from tech product to everything. So or you can basically search as well. So after adding your stuff to carts, let's just go straight to business. So you see me, I have minimum of 350 cedis before I can check out. So let's say I want to check out and my products are up to or more than 350 cedis. So you see, so right now I can just click on checkout. So this is where you need to pay attention to the checkout. So the checkout side, if you have never set up any address system for delivery, always make sure you do that. So here, my address is here. I will just blur it for security purposes. So you click on that and you go to new address. they allow you to, you see, enter your name, first name, last name, enter your phone number and your address. So this is the vital part. So your address. Let's say you are staying at Spintex for example, Spintex, or let's say Klagon, and you are around Klagon signboard. So the address, let's say Klagon signboard is where most riders or most people know. So but you have a street name at your end. So let's say you are at Pearl Street, Klagon. So you just write maybe 432 Pearl Street, Klagon, command, and add signboard. So for here, you select the region, that's Greater Accra. So after selecting Greater Accra, then you can search through your district, whether Ga East, Ga South, or Tema West. So after selecting that, they will bring a list of cities around you. So just make sure you choose your city, and with that, the delivery or the courier will contact you once your package is ready at their warehouse, and they might deliver it personally, or you just go to their next pickup station and pick your product. Yeah, so and if they can't reach or can't track your specific address, they will just call you. So make sure the number you provide is accessible via SMS or phone call. Yeah. So the payment method, for those of you who are familiar with Apple Pay and Visa card, you don't have any issue. You just do your Visa card or Apple Pay. But as of now, or the time I'm recording this video, you have Telecel Cash, Airtel Money, and MTN Mobile Money. So basically, you just choose the one that you are okay or you have. You just click on, let's say, Mobile Money. Then you click on. Then first of all, you check the shipping, whether it's free or it's paid. So here I have free shipping. So in case your order arrives and they are requesting for, let's say, shipping fee or delivery something, make sure you tell them it was free shipping from the website. So but always make sure you don't order stuffs more than 900 or 1000 cedis. Anything from 1000 cedis require you to provide your Ghana card details, which you are eligible of paying customs duty when it arrives in Ghana. So make sure you just ship in badges. So let's say you buy 500 or 800 cedis, you wait till they ship it and give you your tracking number before you do what? You place another order. So you just click on submit order and a new payment pop-up will come. You just enter your phone number and the prompt will come. You enter your PIN and the money is deducted, and you get a notification from Temu that your order has been received at their end. So after that, within this, you come to your order side and you can see some of my orders are in transit. You can click on track. So what this does is it gives you an overview of whatever or wherever your package is. So this is my package tracking number. I'll blur it for some purposes. So after you see your tracking number, you can see where your package is. So my package is at the airport, awaiting the next flight to the country. Yeah, so this is my order status. So as you can see, from when I submitted the order till when it gets to you, you get updates every time through the app, or they'll even send you email. So make sure you keep an eye on that, and you can personally track it by copying the number and clicking on the tracking, the website for the tracking. So that's speed up. Then yeah, if there's an update, they will just give it to you. Yeah, so basically that's it. Make sure you check your emails or check the app for updates, and let me know whether you successfully received the package from Temu before and how was your experience in the comments below, and I'll see you again in the next video.